So we're here with Halo Ammunition. We've got our 9mm, and what we're going to look at and demonstrate today is its accuracy. There's a lot of great benefits to this bullet, but let's look at the accuracy today and why this ammo is so accurate compared to other 9mm rounds. If you notice on the Halo Ammunition round, we've got these fins or spears that are on the outside. These fins or spears are in such a way that there's a cut, multiple inner cuts, so that as the projectile leaves the barrel, the air that passes over, around, and in between the spears will continue to give a twist to the projectile or to the slug as it goes downrange. So the great enemy of projectiles as they leave a barrel is that over time, as it travels, it will begin to tumble. You lose that twist as it leaves the barrel. As that twist dies, the bullet begins to tumble and move on you, and that's what causes inaccuracy as you go downrange towards your target. Well, the whole point of these spears is to make sure that the bullet maintains its twist as it flies downrange. And because it does that, it maintains the same twist as when it does when it leaves the barrel. And that twist continues all the way to target. That gives us a very tight grouping that can't be done with any other type of ammunition. So this is what makes Halo Ammunition 9mm so accurate. And what we're going to do now is we'll demonstrate that accuracy. Something I didn't clarify as we test this ammunition to demonstrate just how accurate it is. We're going to be here in this position, and we've got a target, a steel target downrange, chest size 12-inch target that's 100 yards away. So what we're going to demonstrate is that you can consistently hit, using a 9mm projectile, a 100-yard target. So what we're trying to do with Halo Ammunition is essentially double to triple the effective range. Normally effective range for 9mm is classified to about 25 yards. We're going to show that you can consistently hit a target at 100 yards using this ammunition. And again, why is that? Just to clarify one more time, we've got air passing through, in between, and around the fins of this projectile. And the projectile manipulates the air in such a way that it continues with the same twist as it did when it left the barrel, giving us a very tight grouping. So by the time it reaches 100 yards away, this 9mm projectile is still twisting. It's not tumbling through the air. Hopefully that makes sense.
Feeding looks good so far. Turns out me and the Tanfoglio are kind of a legend. We just hit 4 out of like 8 or 9. I can't believe it. The Halo bullet actually did save my accuracy today. 100 yards, 4 out of like 8 rounds. That's pretty good. That's very good for me.
We've demonstrated a little bit on the distance and the capabilities of the 9mm Halo round, how accurate it can be. The point is not for someone to be able to pull up with a 4-inch barrel and hit someone at 100 yards or hit a target 100 yards away. We aren't expecting that, but what we're just trying to show is if you want a more accurate round than what you can get from any other box ammunition, well, it's Halo Ammunition. And that is the most accurate round that we have ever tested, and I think we're trying to prove that as time goes on in days like this, that's just how accurate it can be.